Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to create this triangle filter effect on your Instagram and how to use this triangle filter on your Instagram. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So first of all, click on this plus symbol on the top and click on the Reels first. Then open the Reels and click on the effect option on the top. And here click on the search option and just type as triangle window on the search page or search effect page, and you can find only one filter here. So click on this triangle window filter. So this filter is actually from the Instagram, and you can find this filter which will be so awesome. It will be like a triangle glasses just making a fall, but it's fall from the downside to upside, which make a different angles, and this is so useful for creating the content with a different effect if you just need it. For an example, if you're creating a song or if you're just making a real instant reel and you just want to add some effect, you can just make this filter and use this filter to add more effect on your Instagram reel to make it super. Like if you're making a food vlog or if you're making a vlog, it's so useful, this filter, and use this filter to get a viral Instagram reels or shorts. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.